Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome to one more La Vie en Van. For today I made a wine connection. Around a bottle of wine I put together Chile, Brazil and England. It was awesome, check it out, you'll love that. Our first stop will be Chile, country that I visited in 2019 and where my wine came from. When I was in Chile, I visited 7 wineries in 7 days. Undurraga is located in Maipo Valley and it is the second largest winery in Chile. Now, it looks like England, but it's not yet. This is Brazil. It is an English coffee here in Santos, the city where I live, and where I made the combination between my wine and the great food. At Coffee Save the Queen, I had a melted cheese sandwich, a Oreo waffle, my wine, and amazing orange coffee. I was so happy. And now, finally, London time. Let's travel. Hyde Park, Buckingham Palace, London Tower, Kensington Park. I visited London in 1998, but I never forgot this gorgeous city. One more time I could show you that's not that difficult to make a combination between your wine and food. Just use imagination and have fun. I am Denise Souto from Brazil and this is my La Vie en Van. Cheers!